Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 6 to 12, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So, ito yung Libra bracelet. Ayan. So, ito yung nag-align ng energies ng mga Libra. Meron tong rhodonite, blue apatite, at larvicite. So, available to sa aking shop. Link on the description kung gusto nyong umorder. Okay, Libra, ano ba? What's up sa inyo this week? Be proud of yourself. Ayan, so maaring meron kayong mga achievement this week na you will be very proud of yourself. Or may mga times na nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo. Na hindi mo kaya or you're not good enough. You know, you are good enough. Be proud of yourself. Okay, Libra? You have achieved a lot in life. So, celebrate yan. Celebrate mo yan. It's time to take action. So, maaring meron ka mga plano ngayon or plano in the past na ngayong week na to, finally, you will take action. Gagawa ka na ng step. Mag-move forward ka na. Oo, to make it happen. Especially if this is related doon sa mga minamanifest mo sa buhay. Kailangan meron tayong action. O, diba? Go for it, Libra. New Moon in Aries energy to. So, this is your, yung, ang tawag doon, yung push na kaya mo. You can do it. Do not doubt yourself. You can make things happen. Just go for it. Okay? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng mga tarot cards for you, Libra. What's coming to Libra this week? You have the Three of Wands o exploration and also expansion. Yung iba, may plano kayo to move, no? Lumipat ng lugar, ng trabaho, lumipat ng bahay, or even i-consider yung pag-abroad. Pwedeng iba sa inyo iisipan nyo yan. Tagal nyo na pinag-iisipan. And this week, hindi mo na lang siya iisipin. Gagawa ka na ng action to make things happen for you. You have the Nine of Swords. Marami kang overthinking na ginagawa sa ngayon, no? Maraming gumugulo sa isip mo, pwedeng may mga kontra sa plano mo, kaya parang nahihirapan kang gawin yan. Mahirap talaga pag maraming kumukontra. But the thing is, itanong mo sa sarili mo kung sino ba talaga ang responsible for your plans, 'di ba? Sila ba o ikaw? Kasi kung ikaw, di ikaw dapat masusunod, 'di ba? You have the Three of Cups. You might also be going with your friends or asking for an advice with your friends. Or maaring meron ding tutulong sa'yo na kaibigan or someone na mahal mo sa buhay to make things happen for you. Kasi hindi naman lahat yan kontra sa'yo eh. Ten of Swords. You are letting go of your limiting beliefs. Some of you, meron kayong i-end na situation sa buhay nyo na alam mong no longer serving your highest purpose. You feel like it's not anymore fulfilling for you. You are getting ready for a new beginning. O, diba? You have the Sun and the Queen of Cups. This is connecting to your instinct, your intuition, and also sa yung kakayanan, no? Sa yung talents and skills. Kasi itong Queen of Cups energy is someone who is very creative, no? And intuitive. So, yung creativity niya related rin sa mga pwedeng related sa spirituality, yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. You have the Sun card here. So, the Sun is about clarity. So, magkakaroon ka ng clarity this week, which path to take. And finally, you will realize na, ito pala talaga yung gusto kong landas na tahakin. Walang makakapigil na sa'yo. Yes. Wala nang makakapigil. And this is your confidence, oh. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na kailangan pagkatiwalaan nyo yung sarili nyo, do not doubt yourself because you are good enough. You have what it takes. You have what it takes to be successful, to be that person na gusto mo na ma-achieve on what you want to become. Sa relationship, let us see. Some of you are ending a relationship. And one way na maka-move on kayo is to change something sa buhay ninyo. Like, yung iba, change ng career, change ng bahay, diba, ng residence. And, maari ring merong new person, no, na parating sa'yo, na interesado to get to know you better. Alam niyo, minsan, merong mga nagtatapos talaga na relationship para mag-open up ang new. Ngayon, itong person na to na ile-let go mo, pag nakita niya na may bago ka na, maghahabol. Nakakaloka. So, nasa sayo na kung hahayaan mong mahabol ka niya o ikaw ay mag-move on na at magpapakalayo-layo na. Sa iyong finances, money is flowing. Let it flow. Yung ideas na yan, let it flow. Yung mga plano mo, gawin mo. Kasi, merong, go with the flow. Go with the flow. There is something better for you to come. Just let it be. Minsan yung mga plano natin, hindi nangyayari kasi it's either merong much better or meron talagang bagay na hindi para sa atin. Some of you are into entertainment. So, maaring kung ito yung balak mong subukan, simulan na negosyo, business, or career, sa entertainment, anything that entertains, this is your sign to go for it, to take action. Diba? And trust yourself. Don't doubt yourself. You can do it. Meron daw kayong natural talents that you can share with the world. Very talented kayo, Libra. And it's also an opportunity for you to make money from your talents. Yung talento mo, pwedeng pagkakitaan yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Libra. See you again.